Now we're ready to eat the salmon I caught and smoked. Today we're making bagels with cream cheese, capers, salmon and chives. First we're going to toast the bagels with butter on a hot pan. And now I'm going to just cut the salmon.
I'm going to help fillet the salmon because we've got quite a few hornets around here.
5 minutes later.
Now I'm just going to get some bark to smoke the salmon. Now I'm going to just season it with some flaky salt and some sugar. I'm going to put the lid on. Now I'm going to put on the fire. We're just going to leave everything until it's smoked in about 10 minutes.
5 minutes later.
The salmon's done smoking. Now I'm just going to take the lid off. Oh my God. Finish putting cream cheese on the bagels. Our bagels are nicely covered in cream cheese. Now I'm just going to put some salmon on them. There we are. Now I'm just going to sprinkle some chives and capers on them. This one. Oop, those fell off. Now I'm just going to add some flaky salt. Bon appetit, everyone! If you play Fortnite, enter our creator code hwhbros to support me and my brothers with making more content like this.